Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric leaf blowers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Black Plus Decker electric leaf blower model LB700. This is your budget-friendly option that packs a punch for its price of just $34.51. It features a 7-amp motor capable of delivering air speeds of up to 180 miles per hour and 180 CFM, making it perfect for small to medium-sized yards and light debris. The lightweight design at just 4.4 pounds ensures minimal arm fatigue, making it a great choice for quick cleanup tasks. The build quality is solid for an entry-level product, with a durable plastic housing and an ergonomic handle for better grip. One standout feature is the built-in cord retention system, which prevents accidental unplugging during use. However, keep in mind that this is a corded model, so you'll need an extension cord for larger areas. Performance-wise, it's efficient for clearing leaves, grass clippings, and light debris from patios, driveways, and sidewalks. It's not the most powerful on this list, but it offers excellent value for the price. If you're on a tight budget and need a reliable, no-frills leaf blower, the Black Plus Decker LB700 is a fantastic choice. Pros include its affordability and lightweight design. Cons include its limited power and the need for an extension cord. At number 4, we have the LePull Leaf Blower, a cordless option designed for convenience and portability. This model includes two 21-volt 2.0 amp batteries and a fast charger, providing up to 20 minutes of runtime on high-speed mode. The 1-hour fast charging is a great feature for those who want minimal downtime. With air speeds of up to 150 mph and 420 CFM of airflow, it's ideal for smaller yards or lighter cleanup tasks. The lightweight design, at just 4 pounds, makes it easy to handle, even for extended periods. Its compact, tool-free assembly also ensures quick setup. The detachable nozzle adds to its portability, making it convenient to store or carry around. While it's not the most powerful option, its performance is more than adequate for tasks like clearing leaves, dust, and light debris from patios, garages, and sidewalks. This leaf blower is a great choice for those who prioritize portability and ease of use over raw power. However, the limited battery life and moderate power output mean it's better suited for smaller jobs. Pros include its lightweight design, cordless operation, and fast charging, while cons include its shorter runtime and lower power compared to other models on this list. At number 3, we have the electric leaf blower from Fume-Free. This model boasts an impressive 900,000 RPM motor, delivering air speeds of up to 200 mph and a maximum airflow of 700 CFM. The 5-speed adjustable dial allows you to customize the power for different tasks, from gentle cleaning of delicate surfaces to tackling heavy debris. The Fume-Free blower is designed with user comfort in mind, featuring an ergonomic anti-slip handle and a lightweight body weighing just 5.2 pounds. The package includes two 21V 4.0 amp-hour batteries, providing up to 30 minutes of runtime on low-speed mode. While the assembly is tool-free and straightforward, the blower's versatility really stands out. It can operate both horizontally and vertically, making it ideal for a variety of applications. This model is perfect for users who want a balance of power, portability, and customization. However, the short runtime on high-speed settings and the higher weight compared to other cordless options might be drawbacks for some. Pros include its powerful motor, adjustable speed settings, and ergonomic design, while cons include its limited battery life under high power and slightly heavier build. Coming in at number 2, we have the Gevalife Leaf Blower. This cordless model delivers an impressive 650 CFM of airflow, making it one of the most powerful options in its class. With 3 adjustable speed levels, it's well-suited for a variety of tasks, from light cleaning to tackling large piles of leaves. The included two 20V 5.0 amp-hour batteries offer up to 150 minutes of runtime on low-speed mode, making it ideal for larger areas. The Gevalife blower is lightweight at 4.4 pounds and features an ergonomic handle with a non-slip grip for added comfort. A detachable shoulder strap is included to reduce hand fatigue during extended use. Its sleek yellow plastic body is both durable and stylish. The package also comes with a fast charger, so you can quickly get back to work when the battery runs low. This blower is an excellent choice for homeowners with medium to large yards who need a powerful and portable solution. However, its slightly higher weight and longer charging time may be minor drawbacks. Pros include its high airflow capacity, long runtime, and ergonomic design. Cons include its weight when using the shoulder strap and the price point, which is on the higher side. Finally, at number 1, we have the Works WG520 Turbine 600 electric leaf blower, our premium option for this list. With 600 CFM of airflow and a maximum airspeed of 110 miles per hour, this blower is built for heavy-duty tasks. Its turbine fan technology is inspired by jet engines, delivering immense power while maintaining relatively low noise levels. The WG520 features a robust build with a 12-amp motor and a wide-mouth nozzle that clears large areas efficiently. Its 2-speed settings allow you to switch between precision and power, whether you're cleaning tight corners or sweeping through open lawns. Despite its power, the blower weighs just 6.5 pounds and is ergonomically designed for one-handed operation. For $76.99, the Works WG520 offers premium performance and durability, making it a great choice for homeowners and professionals alike. The only downside is that it's corded, which limits mobility. Pros include its powerful turbine fan, high airflow capacity, and ergonomic design. Cons include its reliance on a power cord and slightly higher noise levels compared to some cordless options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.